Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we will learn about modules in Node.js. In the world of software development, modules are an essential concept. A module is an encapsulated and reusable chunk of code that has its own context. In Node.js, each file is treated as a separate module. Let's take a look at the different types of modules in Node.js. First, we have local modules. These are modules that we create in our application. We can export the functionality of the module using the module.export statement and then import it into other files using the require statement. Next, we have built-in modules. These are modules that Node.js ships with out of the box. We can use these modules by simply requiring them in our code. And finally, we have third-party modules. These are modules written by other developers that we can use in our application. We can install these modules using a package manager like npm node package manager and then require them in our code just like any other module. Understanding module is important to building scalable and maintainable applications in Node.js. We are going to take a closer look at each of the module types in the series, but in the very next section, in the very next lecture, our focus will be on local modules that we as developers create and share within our application. If you are still unclear as to what a module is, join me in the next video where we will create and use our first module in Node.js. I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.